Good morning. I am back from my 5 o'clock walk. It is now 6:15. You can see it on my clock right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, and I also have some fresh coconut water, like straight from the coconut itself, like you guys saw. So that's something to look forward to. And I'm gonna just take a shower and get ready for work. So I finally got my new case for my phone, and I actually ordered it from a store, but I didn't realize that it was actually coming from China, which is why it took so long. And it is this beautiful marble phone case with the actual grip that I wanted, so I can slip my hands through. So that's really exciting. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm really excited to finally have this because I was walking around like on tiptoes with my phone. Oh my goodness, yes. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, so this is my phone, and when I use it, my hands are gonna be flipped around like this, which I am in love with. This makes me really happy because I was so scared to use my phone. Just 2 seconds. And it's this beautiful marble case. I love it. I'm gonna link in the brand down below in case you want something similar, but this is like my dream phone case. Like, I'm in love with it. This is the only thing that I'm not too sure about, the hoop loop here, but I guess you can like hold it like this. I'm really not sure what this part is for, and I don't think it can. Yeah, I think it can actually come out, but we'll see. But I am obsessed with my phone case. Okay, so the first thing I have to do today is clear up the trunk. I've already moved some stuff already, and this is basically after every pop-up shop. How cute is the pretty productive sign? So yeah, this is how it looks. It was like 12 times worse than this, with like empty boxes and just some other products. I was not feeling well today at all, literally at all. I threw up all my lunch, so I really didn't eat anything today. I just had some fruits and stuff. I've been eating really well, but I feel like if I need some ice cream, I don't know why, I feel like if it will help me to settle down, just to do something, I just want a nice ice cream. It could probably make things a lot worse, but one can hope. I just have a lot of hope right now. Okay, so I got my ice cream. This is strawberry and coconut, and Luke has this yummy one, but this one looks better for a thumbnail picture, so I think I'm gonna go with that one. But I'm thinking that this is definitely going to make me feel better. Like, a girl can hope, right? So this is my dinner now. I have everything grilled. Well, only the okra and the broccoli is grilled. And then I have raw tomatoes, onions, and garlic. I love garlic in my food. And then I just sprinkled everything with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I have my healthiest water bottle right here. This is helping me to not use single plastic bottles to drink water in, and I really love it. It's cute and trendy, so I'll have it linked in down below. It also has like this cute saying, as well as time prompts to help you remember to drink water throughout the day. So water and a huge salad or grilled vegetables. Just played a game of chess with Luke, and where is it? Oh yeah, there it is. I love chess, and it's something that we always like doing, and I feel like if it's since it's October and it's just so cozy and everything, I feel like it's so much fun to play board games right now. So we have like a nightly ritual, or we're trying to make it a habit of like playing chess at night. It's just so good to just unwind instead of like scrolling. So it is Wednesday now. I'm not even sure where this vlog is going because it's all over the place, because it's just been like a rough couple of days recovering from a stomach virus and everything like that. So I got a package in the mail, and I did a few things today in work. Like, I created this cute new cozy October sticker kit, which I think is so pretty and perfect for fall and October. It just makes me feel so like sweater weather. And then I also decided to do something a little different this time and add like these decals to the sticker kit. So it says pumpkin spice season, and I did like a cute Starbucks pumpkin spice with like 4 leaves and a pumpkin, and it looked just really nice. I also got a really big package in the mail today, which I'm gonna open with you guys right now, and it is from Roxy, and I love their clothes so much, so I got to try out 5 outfits. So let's pull them out right now and see how they look. I'm so excited. Last time I did a Roxy swimwear haul and review, which I will link in somewhere on the screen. I love those swimwear so much, so I'm really excited to be able to try their clothes right now. So let's unbox. Okay, so we have this big bag right now. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so I'm kind of nervous. I hope these fit. That's always the like scary part about ordering and like choosing out clothes and stuff, because you just never know. I ordered all in small, so let's see if this is like true to size or not. I really love this color, this mustard looking color, as a cute little just thing to throw on when you just have like your jeans and something like that. Okay, we are going again. Okay, so I got this like really flowy dress. I will have to like do an actual try on, but I'm showing you guys that this looks like it will fit though. Yay. So I'm gonna go with my brother Luke, and we're just gonna probably go for Starbucks for a little bit, and I will just probably carry a notebook and then just brainstorm some ideas for my channel and all that fun stuff. These are the new stickers, and it's so cozy October, and this was the little decal that I was telling you guys about. So everyone who orders one of this sticker kit will get this cute little decal on gloss which says pumpkin spice season, and it's so cute. I even added like little glitter sparkles everywhere, and these are how it looks. It's so cute and so pretty. I am so in love with it. I think it just screams fall. So I'm gonna go ahead now and do a pretty little flat lay and take some photos before I go to Starbucks, so that I can post these on the stationery page. Okay, so this is the little flat lay I put together, and it's so funny because I just used this little top that I got from Roxy. I think it went so perfectly. It was literally meant for this spread, and it looked really good with my stickers and everything like that. So I just added a notebook, this little scissors there, and of course the top, and it just matched, like I said, so well with these stickers. And this is the little die cut that I showed you guys, so I just put it on a pen so it will look really cute when I take a picture of it. So I am so obsessed with how this looks. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on these. Yummy samples to try, and they match so well with my cute pumpkin spice. So I just did some errands. I dropped off a swimsuit for my friend, and then I went ahead and got some dinner. And for me, I just took vegetables, grilled fish, and some peas, because I'm not going to be eating anything too carb-like and too like, just, you know, you guys know. And I was like brainstorming some video ideas while I was there. Didn't get too much done because Luke gulped down his entire food, and then he had nothing to do in Starbucks for the entire time. And yeah, so I just had to like pick myself up and go. Good evening, it is Thursday now. I had all of my orders and shipping and everything done today for my stationery brand. I have been craving a green juice recently, like a really good, like huge green juice, especially because I'm trying to eat really healthy. So I feel like if I want to go and get something to drink now, they're actually going to be closing in a little while. So I need to hurry up and get there. Oh my goodness, take that out. Yeah, I feel like if I want something like maybe an acai bowl or something like that, so I'm gonna try it out and see what I think. And I'm also going to be doing some like video organization because I'm really inspired recently to create more and more content for my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's go get that acai bowl or some green juice or something like that. So I'm home now. I just went on a little coffee date with my guy and now I'm back home. My acai berry was so good, and those brownies that I took, it was like a black bean brownie, was really good. I definitely think I'm gonna get more of that because when I'm craving like something sweet, I feel like if that is so much healthier, like such a healthier, God, I can't talk, option. So there's that. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs now, get some work done. Good evening, it is Saturday now. You can look at my clock, it's about 3:15 I think it is, if I can read it in the reviews. Rain is storming and it is so nice and cozy. I had a really busy morning. I didn't really vlog too much. I don't want to say anything yet, but I am doing something on my face really soon, and I don't want to say anything yet because I want it to be done and then I'll tell you guys all about this. And I'm vlogging the entire process, so you'll be able to see that when I actually get it done. So that is that. And I also went to this really cute little cafe with my best friend, and that was basically my Saturday. I'm actually on my second Harry Potter book. In my last vlog I was finishing up the first one, so I'm on the second one now, so that is so much fun. Yeah, I don't really have any more plans for the rest of Saturday at all. I might go into my office tomorrow to get some last minute things done, but other than that I think this week was really chill and cool. It's just been a really busy week overall, so I'm just, you know, figuring it out as it goes along. I am just planning a few events for like October. There's going to be a huge stationery, well, you guys know I have my own stationery brand, so there's going to be an event this month that's going to be a lot of prepping for and stuff like that. So it's only one event this month, but it's going to be so much fun, so I can't wait for that. And yeah, that's basically it. If I do anything else, of course I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna like relax now. I have a hard time just like chilling out. I always have to be doing something productive. It's crazy. It's just I don't know what to say about myself. So I decided I was craving ice cream so much, so I came to get this yummy fondue. It's so good. You guys have to try it. So this is the fondue option. It's so good. It has all these ice creams, and then you of course have the chocolate, and then you have like fruits and brownies and all this good stuff. Okay, so don't mind me right now, but basically last minute, 15 minutes before a movie starts, Luke is like, let's go watch it, because I really wanted to watch Abominable, but I didn't watch it as yet. So he was like, let's go, and I was like, it's 15 minutes we have, and he was like running and getting dressed and stuff. So we ended up watching Abominable. It was so good. I loved it. I want a little Yeti. He's so cute. The Yeti is so nice. Abominable is definitely a must watch. And then I saw Maleficent 2 is coming out. That is my favorite movie, well, except Crazy Rich Asians, but I love Maleficent so much because Angelina Jolie was always my favorite actress when I was really small. She still is, and I can't wait to watch it. So then we just ended up going to Starbucks for a little bit and just chilling out. So that was how my Sunday night turned out. I hope you enjoyed my week in my life. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.